I said I wouldn't have any more boxes, but I had to get another sticker to finish out around my tree. I had to add some more teal bulbs. So these are some C9 teal, the new dark teal around my tree that I really like. We have a Christmas ride coming around the neighborhood tomorrow that's gonna come look at all the lights, and so they're gonna come by our house, so I need to get this done. So I have a few projects I want to get done today. One of the fun parts about putting up Christmas lights is that everybody gets to see it, and my kid's here and he's gonna help me take out the bulbs. Go around, take out the bulbs, and we'll put in these new teal ones around this tree. Everybody likes Christmas lights, so it's fun when my kids can help me. So what I'm using, because these ones are on the ground, I'm still gonna use these rubbery gaskets that I'm gonna put on here. I'll do a video when I take them down to see if these really worked well. And we're gonna put these teal lights in today, and then this part will be done. Have a bunch of green and red Jeweltone that I need to use. I feel like if I have them, I need to use them. So these are the colors, the multicolored Jeweltone that I'm taking out that I was just using as placeholders. And so we will add those somewhere else. I don't know where yet. Because they cost so much money, I don't want them just sitting. I need to use them. So we're gonna finish this and then we're gonna see how it looks. So this is kind of crazy. As we were setting up our teal lights, the package with some lights from Christmas Designers arrived. And as we opened it, I got my SPT wire that's green, and in that box there's another one of SPT wire that's white, and I didn't notice it. So I opened this other box, and I just thought this was SPT wire that's white. It ended up being some sort of battery, universal battery, it said, so I did not order that. After a little bit more research, I found out that it looks like my box opened, and this was another box that the packaging company had. And maybe in the truck, they stuck it in the box and retaped it because I noticed it had a shipping. So I'm going to take that back to the store and ship that to the right person. But here I am opening some 3-foot long snowfall tube lights that I just think are amazing. So these are going to go on my tree over there with green Tru-Tone. And at night, they just have an awesome effect. And the 3 feet ones are just cool because they just look so much bigger from far away. We're going to replace these white candle glow on the steps. As awesome as they are, I just want some more color because it's Christmas. So we have some Jeweltone multicolored that we're going to put in. We might leave a few of the white ones just so that we can fill all the spots. So we're going to come replace them and see how they look. Just a bunch of little projects today. Do orange, green. All different random colors. So green. Pick a color. We'll just do this completely random. And that. All right.
But what I was saying, last year we didn't put the coverings on, so this is an example of what would happen. It just rusted out everything.
Got it?
Yeah.
Another quick addition tonight is we're going to add a wire of lights along this side so that we can runway both sides of this walkway into the house. I don't have any more Classicolor white, so we're going to probably move some of the white to that side or add some candle glow on each side. Maybe it'll be brighter around the walkway. So here I have the end of my wire, and I'm going to add a male end over here because it's going to plug in at the other end. So I just snip it, find the side with the ribs, the sides on the ribs, go to the side that is bigger, and that will go right here. I push it in like that all the way to the bottom, fold it over like that, and then it makes the connection into my end piece. And I take this one, and I can slide it on, and it's nice and tight, and it terminates the end of my wire. Now this wire is the exact length that I need for this spot. I have my rubbery gasket that's gonna go on here. See, I used this last year. It has a little bit of corrosion, and then I'll put it through here, and that will give me my blue. I'm gonna go blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. And the stakes that I like to use are these, and they snap in right there, and they snap in on this side, and I can pull it in, and it makes a nice stake. I can put it in right there, nice and straight, going up and down. It's starting to get dark. I have a bunch of green and red Jeweltone. We kind of a different color, but I have a bunch that I need to use up because last year we had them up on the house. But this year we went with multicolors. So because I have them, I'm just gonna put them all along the edge Along the house here, there's the garden, and then we'll see how it comes out. I still had a few of my Jeweltone red and green left, so I decided I'm going to put them around these two windows. So first I cut wire to be the exact length around it with my C9 empty socket lines. And then after the wire is up, I came back around and I put red and green lights around the window. And as you can see, my lemons are doing really well that I've moved inside right there in the window.